1. Turn the lights off. 2. He took a puff of air. 3. The cliff is steep. 4. The staff is friendly. 5. Put your stuff here. A cell is the basic unit of life. 2. Fill the bottle with water. 3. The hill is green. 4. She feels ill today. 5. Use the drill carefully. We will arrive soon. 2. Shoot the arrow straight. 3. I like to eat carrots. 4. There is an error in the code. 5. Look in the mirror. She gave him a kiss. 2. I have less time today. 3. The room is a mess. 4. I miss you. 5. Write an essay for class. He fell on his butt. 2. Matt is my friend. 3. Wear a mitt to protect your hand. 4. This bulb uses 60 watts. 5. Spread butter on the bread. I heard a buzz. 2. The soda fizzes. 3. The peach has a fuzz. 4. I love jazz music.